I'm a policy analyst here with the U.S. Committee for Refugees and Immigrants, which is a nonprofit organization in Washington, D.C. I'm here protesting with Mauritanians in front of the Qatar embassy, and I'm here to ask the government for temporary protected status for Mauritanians. Temporary protected status would help protect Mauritanians here in the United States from being deported back to a country where they would face torture, where they would face detention with horrible conditions, and where they would face a climate where there's no free speech. So I'm asking the government today, I'm asking President Biden and the Department of Homeland Security and Secretary Mayorkas for temporary protected status for Mauritanians to protect them from being deported back to their country.
Shukran jazeelan. Thank you very much. Thank you.
When I say stop, you say language discrimination in Mauritania. Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination in Mauritania.
Stop!
Language discrimination.